Breaking news alert. I have got another unboxing to do on the channel. This is really important stuff. Today we're going to talk about the American Express Business Platinum. Is it worth the big annual fee? We're going to tear open the package, see what's inside, and talk all about it. Let's go. Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to be awesome. Give us a big thumbs up on the channel. Subscribe, hit the bell notifications for alerts. You guys are getting in a really good routine of this. I'm so proud, and we cannot thank you enough for watching the channel. So in this video, I want to get down into the down and dirty of the American Express Business Platinum card. Now, I've had my eyes on this card for quite a while. There's a public offer of 85,000 membership rewards as a sign-up bonus. However, my wife has a referral link, which is down in the description below, that offers 110,000 membership rewards as a sign-up bonus. So if you want that elevated offer, use the link down in the description. You won't find this just on the public offer site, at least as of the day of this recording. And you know what? I thought this is a great time to pick up this card. And you know what? I think I need to apply for it and have it delivered really, really quickly. And you know from watching this channel, I've got the best delivery person on the planet delivering my mail.
Speedy delivery to you so you're out of the neighborhood.
They're always on time. They know when I record on this channel, and they just show up. I put my hands out. I'm going to close my eyes. Look at that. So I can tell by getting this envelope from UPS, this looks like a next day air envelope. This is pretty substantial already. This isn't your standard envelope that comes in the mail. There's something more to this. What's going to be inside? I don't know. But this is my excited face. I like how they mark extremely urgent on the envelope because it is urgent that I get this card. You ready? We're going to dig into this. If I can tear it open correctly. Are you as excited as I am? I don't know. I'm pretty excited about this one. Holy cow. Look at that box. Substantial box already. Again, much larger. Thank you very much. A much larger box than your standard envelope that comes in the mail with a lot of other cards. And it's got a special place here to tear. If I can follow directions, I'm going to try to do the same thing here. Look at this. That satisfying click as you move down here just builds the anticipation. There we go. And it's in a kind of platinum colored box too. Isn't that nice? Holy moly.
What's in the box? What's in the box?
So the paperwork, we talk about our Dell credits. We're going to get to a lot of this. Airline credits, Centurion lounges, 5 times bonuses, 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 bonuses. That's why I applied for this card. Bonuses galore. Along with the sign-up bonus, there are a lot of other features to this card that you're going to want to find out about, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Make sure you don't miss any of those. For now, I'm going to set these off to the side, get this out of the way, and I actually want to look at the card itself. Well, look at that. It is heavy, but just feeling of this right offhand, it's a very substantial card. This is a very significant card. Just thinking right off the top of my head, I know a few videos ago we did an unboxing of the Blue Business Plus card. Look, I said it correctly that time, and it was very flimsy, right? It was easy to add to my wallet. I'm gonna have to make space for this one in my wallet, and if you watch this channel, you know that this is gonna go in my men's spin pocket in my wallet. But long term, I'm gonna have to make room for this bad boy. It's a big one. I mean, you could use this as a weapon, fling it at someone like a throwing star. I think you could tenderize meat with this card. It's heavy. Like when I drop it on here, it's not going to crack the table, but it's very substantial, so if you do want to keep this in your wallet, make sure you leave space for it. So in order to get that 110,000 membership reward bonus, you do need to spend $15,000 in the first 3 months. But keep in mind, this is a business card. And if you're operating a small business, you know that costs add up very quickly. Why not let them add up on this one and collect the membership rewards bonus? And as part of the welcome offer for 3 months, I will get 5 times points on shipping, my cell phone service, select media advertising, gas stations, office supply stores. So again, great sign-up bonus, plus the membership rewards you get right off the bat when you make that men's spend. Some other benefits of the card include 5 times MRs on flights and prepaid hotels on AmexTravel.com, 1.5 times MRs on each eligible purchase of $5,000 or more, and 1 times MRs on everything else. You do get a $200 annual Dell statement credit. $100 of that is from January to June to get the statement credit, and then you'll get the second statement credit if you use it from July to December, so it's split up into two. You will get Hilton Honors Gold status and Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite status. You also get a $200 airline fee incidental credit, just like with other cards, such as the Personal Platinum and Hilton Aspire. You have to choose your airline of choice. One of my favorite parts of this card is you do get a 35% airline bonus. So what does that mean? If you use membership rewards, pay with points for either all or part of a qualifying fare on an eligible airline, then you will get 35% of your points back if you book through AmexTravel.com, which is awesome. So Brandon, what is an eligible fare, you may ask? Well, I'm glad you did ask. An eligible fare is going to be a first or business class ticket on any airline, and beyond that, the airline that you choose for the $200 incidental fee could be any airfare class with that. So just to reiterate, the airline that you choose for your $200 incidental credit will be the same airline that you get your 35% points back on any fare class. And which airline should I choose as my airline? Maybe you can let me know. Let me know down in the comments, which airline do you use if you have this card? You will also receive a statement credit every 4 years for global entry, that's valued at $100, and every 4.5 years for TSA pre-check, and that's valued at $85 currently. So again, if you're a traveler, great benefit.
That sounds good.
You will also get access to the American Express Global Lounge Collection. So this includes Centurion lounges, it includes Delta Sky Club if you're flying with Delta, which is really great, and it also includes Priority Pass Select Lounge. So do you see where this card goes? If you are a business traveler and you're hitting the road, or I guess hitting the skies in this case, you have a lot of lounges to check out along your way. And to wrap up on the benefits, there's a lot more to offer. I'm not going to go through every single line item here, but you know where you can find it? Down in the description below, you'll also find our referral link if you think this card is right for you, but there's still a lot more that we're not even going to be able to cover in this video. So is the $595 annual fee really worth it? In my opinion, with a welcome offer, you can easily make up for the cost of that in the first year. Now, is it going to be a keeper card in the long run? Check back with me in a year, I'll let you know. So the $595 annual fee, how do you offset that? First of all, the 110,000 membership rewards as a sign-up offer are really great. We value those at 2 cents per point. If you follow this channel, you know that when we use transfer partners. So if I'm doing the quick math, 110,000 membership rewards adds up to about a $2,200 value for us when we use transfer partners. So yeah, it's worth it for us for sure. There's also the $200 incidental fee with airlines. There's the $200 credit with Dell. My kids need a new Chromebook or two, especially if they're doing virtual learning, who knows, but they could always use those. And for me personally, the $85 credit for TSA pre-check is going to be really nice. The last trip that we went on to Disney World, I had to watch my wife go through the TSA pre-check line while I went through the regular line and removed like 50 articles of clothing, had to unzip everything out of my bag, and my wife's just sitting over there at the end. Are you coming? No? She was just sitting over there waving at me while I was standing there like an idiot, taking off all my clothes and my shoes, trying to get through the line. So I'm looking forward to the $85 TSA pre-check credit. And you know what? It was something I was going to purchase anyway, but especially after being left in my wife's dust going through the pre-check line, I'm definitely getting it now. You know what? Also, on this last trip, my wife left me.
My wife, she's gone and left me. I don't know what I'll do.
No, she didn't leave me for good. She left me for the Delta Sky Club Lounge. My wife has the personal American Express Platinum card, not the business card, just the regular personal Platinum card. So she was able to get access into the Delta Sky Club Lounge. And you know what I had to do? I just had to fend for myself in line at Chick-fil-A with everybody else while she was getting served cocktails, food. She's texting me from the Sky Club Lounge saying, hey, this food's really great. So this is a card that I definitely think will benefit me during the first year, especially with the membership reward sign-up offer. But let me know, if you have this card, is it a keeper card for you? It's a $595 annual fee, which is easy to offset in the first year. But what about the second, the third year, fourth year? Let us know if you have this card long-term and how you've managed to offset the $595 annual fee. We're curious to hear. Share it with our audience. We'd love to hear about it. And also, do not forget to use the referral link down in the description. That is where you will get the elevated offer, a lot higher than the public offer of 85,000 membership rewards. You will get 110,000 membership rewards. Just use the referral link down in the description and sort for business cards. You'll be able to find the American Express Business Platinum. And if it's the right card for you, go ahead and use it and take advantage of that elevated offer. And for me, you know what else is great? It doesn't add to my 524 status. I've talked about that a ton on this channel. Doesn't add to it. I'm still under 524, Chase, so you can't get me yet. So thank you so much for watching this video. We really hope you enjoyed this review of the American Express Business Platinum. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to be awesome. Give us a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification for alerts. You know the routine by now. You're doing a great job. We're doing a lot of unboxings on this channel. We've got a lot more to come, a lot more cool content coming your way, and I look forward to seeing you on the next Brandon Boyd Show. We will see you soon.